Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alabadi, unique from Creative Mind. If it's your first time seeing my video, I'll be very happy if you subscribe to this channel. I'll be very happy to welcome you and receiving you into my growing community. If you like what I'm doing, encourage me. Tell me what you think by leaving your message or your comment in the comment section below. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I put together this beautiful masterpiece that you will be very proud to display in every and any part of your living space. I'm going to let you see that I use laundry clips and some other items that you will need for this tutorial. I have this cake tray or cake circle stuff, like, yeah, so I picked that up from my local shop here, bakery shop, and I also cut out a cardboard that I've already started to glue the diamond wrap off camera. I've also got a circle mirror or round mirror, and I've also been using some scissors and some glue, a very strong glue, some diamond wrap, hot glue, and I'll be using this diamond shaped acrylic gems for the embellishment of this decor. I'm just going to show you that I cut out, very easy, cut out a cardboard here that I spray painted silver, and I'll be gluing all these three circle shaped items together to form my base. And I'm letting you see right here that I've started gluing my diamond wrap off camera already. So I'm going to glue these three items together to form a strong base. So I am using a laundry clip today, and I'm going to show you how to separate them. And yeah, very easy way to separate them is just squeeze them sideways, and afterwards the iron between them that's holding them together will pop right up. Just, yeah, turn it sideways and the iron that has kept them together will just pop right off. That's what I'm showing you right here, and I'm going to show you another example or another way. So you squeeze or you swish sideways, and the iron will pop right out. So that's what I'm letting you see. So I went ahead to glue down the cardboard on top of the cake tray and the mirror on top of the cardboard. So we have 3 layers. Okay, so next step now is just for us to start gluing down our laundry clips. So choose any design of your choice. So when I start gluing down, I will let you see how my. So guys, this is the design I chose for myself. I'm still going to add more, but I just want you to see how my design is. So I'll just go ahead to do it off camera, and I'll be right back to show you the next step. Whoa, guys, this took a hell of my time. I'm just showing you what I've got so far. Yeah, I'm going to spray paint it with Spectrum silver paint, and I'm just letting you see my next step, guys. It took me a whole lot of energy, and I'm also going to be using some diamond wrap, like I said earlier. I don't really know what I'll be using, but I think these are my main embellishments for this tutorial, and some mosaic mirror. I might be using, or I will be using these crystal acrylic gems, diamond gems that I also got from Amazon. And yeah, guys, I will just see how it goes from here. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. I ended up using the mosaic mirror and diamond bling to decorate my decor. So I'm just trying to show you guys what I use, and I'll be using the diamond wrap, the diamond gems later on. So yeah, I'm just letting you see how far I have gone. I'm sorry guys that I'm doing everything off camera. I really want to save your time, so it doesn't become too boring, you understand. So that's why I'm doing everything off camera, but you get the gist, you get the information. So just for you to catch up on my trying to, I mean, do this on camera, I really I'll apologize that most of these tedious parts were not shown on the video, but I'm showing you how I embellish the decor with the mosaic mirrors. And yeah, it's not much, but I hope you just get the picture. So that's why I'm incorporating this part of the video for you to see what I did. Yeah, if you have all these materials at home to use, it is very handy. Otherwise, you can order them on Amazon if you need any of these materials, like the mosaic mirror. I didn't get the mosaic mirror from Amazon. I got it here in my local shop, and the diamond wrap, I got that from Amazon. The diamond crystal gems, I got those from Amazon as well. And yeah, I just want you to catch up with me and see what I've done so far. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your time. Guys, I'm using this all-purpose glue. It works like magic. I can't believe it. It's so cheap, so affordable, so budget friendly. You can't imagine how good this glue is. I'm so happy that I discovered it. It's transparent and it holds very well. You can't believe how good this all-purpose glue is. Really, I'm so excited right now. I tried it out with some of my projects. There's big difference between this glue and other glue that I've worked with. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I'm very satisfied with this very glue. There's no particular name to it. It's on the bottle. It's just written all-purpose glue. So yeah, I'm excited, and I got it from a shop called Action Shop here in Bell. It's just equivalent to your a dollar shop, a dollar tree shop in America. And yeah, that's where I get some of my stuff. And yeah, I'm really happy that I discovered this glue thing. Keep watching. And here I'm just gluing down the diamond crystal gems and wrapping up this DIY tutorial. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video so far. I know it's a very long one, but I thank you for your patience, for your time, and I hope you learned one or two things. I hope you are inspired. I hope you are blessed with this video, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, welcome back. Yeah, finally this is the end results of this project. I am so happy how it turned out. The details are so beautiful. I love the way it turned out. Honestly, it's very, very, very beautiful. I'm so pleased with how I finally got the courage to finish it and add the finished touch. I'm so happy, so glad. It's nice. I am really proud of myself. And guys, I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. And if you did, please leave me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel.